At dawn, the Christmas cake season arrives. Flour and fruit for the first batch.
Every flour sack and fruit tin is checked. Quality first for Christmas cakes.
Moisture and sweetness are measured precisely, the foundation of a consistent Christmas cake.
Butter and eggs are staged in chilled bays, ready for batter that will become festive cakes.
Dried fruits, cherries, cranberries, raisins add the Christmas character to every cake.
Nuts are sieved to preserve crunch and appearance in the final Christmas cake. Automated dosing ensures each Christmas cake batter begins with exact measures. Milk and cream are held at controlled temperatures to guarantee smooth cake batters.
Signature holiday flavors, vanilla, chocolate, seasonal notes, are locked to the Christmas cake recipe.
Traceability keeps every Christmas cake accountable, from flour field to festive table. Staging brings components close to the mixers, where Christmas cake batter will form. Safety and sanitation are non-negotiable in the Christmas cake line.
Locked ingredient lists are verified digitally to prevent deviation from the Christmas cake profile.
Pans are prepped and lined, the canvas for our Christmas cakes.
Preparation complete. Here rolling. The factory readies to make thousands of Christmas cakes.
Creaming sugar and butter creates the base texture every Christmas cake relies on.
Milk and vanilla join the mix to bind and flavor the batter for our Christmas cakes.
Flour and raising agents are metered to secure a consistent crumb in every Christmas cake.
RPM and torque are monitored. The batter must reach precise viscosity for Christmas cake structure.
Dried fruits and nuts are folded in, carefully oiling, the holiday heart of every Christmas cake.
Operators verify fruit distribution and batter feel, a tactile check for festive uniformity.
Alternate streams allow chocolate Christmas cakes to be produced alongside classic fruit varieties.
Mixed batter is transferred to holding vats to rest before baking, ensuring even fruit hydration.
Recipe control watches batches in real time. Every Christmas cake is traceable.
Precision dosing fills each pan. Uniform cakes mean even baking and perfect slices.
Surface smoothing prepares cake tops for flawless icing later.
Vision systems verify each Christmas cake pan meets weight and appearance standards. Now the transformation begins. Pans move into ovens, where batter becomes Christmas cake. Each cake follows a temperature curve tuned for fruit hydration and crumb set. Heat sets the crumb and blooms the fruit toad. Science and tradition meet in every Christmas cake. Golden and fragrant, the first Christmas cakes come out to cool. Controlled cooling prevents collapse and readies cakes for trimming. Trimmers level each Christmas cake for consistent presentation and slicing.
Sensory checks confirm the Christmas cake's taste and mouthfeel meet holiday standards.
A measured syrup infusion keeps the Christmas cake moist through the holiday season.
Crumb coats seal the surface, creating a perfect base for Christmas icing.
Robotics and handcraft coordinate to give the Christmas cake a flawless canvas.
Fondant is cut and tested to achieve a clean, festive wrap on each Christmas cake.
For chocolate Christmas cakes, glossy glazes add holiday luxury.
Visual inspections ensure icing adheres without cracks. Presentation matters for Christmas gifting.
Layering with jam and cream creates the signature bite in our Christmas cakes. Set times in climate cabinets lock the icing and fondant in place.
Decorative elements, marzipan, candied peels, sprinkles are prepped for festive finishing.
Decorators add the holiday signature, careful piping, and a dusting of sugar snow. Each cake earns a visual stamp of approval before entering packaging.
Packaging teams tuck cakes into festive boxes that protect and present.
Tamper-evident seals keep the Christmas cake journey secure. Labels record batch and freshness, so recipients know this Christmas cake story.
For gifting, ribbons and tags turn Christmas cakes into presents straight from the factory. Non-destructive inspection confirms decoration integrity inside each Christmas cake box.
Automated palletizing ensures stable loads of Christmas cakes for transit.
Automated palletizing ensures stable loads of Christmas cakes for transit.
Careful wrapping safeguards boxes and adds a holiday mark for retail lanes. Routing labels separate store-bound Christmas cakes from direct gift shipments.
Premium lines receive a hands-on inspection to guarantee visual perfection.
Retail cartons are assembled to stock supermarket aisles with seasonal Christmas cakes.
Every cake box is logged, so inventory matches demand during the holiday rush.
Dispatch lanes separate channels, ensuring Christmas cakes reach stores and tables on time. Shelf life testing and microbiology reassure that Christmas cakes are safe for holiday tables. Coordinated routing gets Christmas cakes to stores and customers within tight holiday windows.
Refrigerated transport preserves cake quality across long distances.
Refrigerated transport preserves cake quality across long distances.
Express parcels containing Christmas cakes are routed for next-day delivery to surprise holiday recipients.
Final seal checks keep Christmas cakes safe for the last mile.
Emerth. Real-time tracking shows customers where their Christmas cake is on its journey.
Retail displays bring Christmas cakes to customers' eyes. Holiday placement matters.
Online gift orders get insulated packaging and a personal holiday message.
Temperature logs verify the cold chain for Christmas cakes traveling to warmer climates. From factory to family table, the moment a Christmas cake is revealed.
Sampling connects customers to the festive flavor before purchase. Feedback closes the loop now. Improvements go into next year's Christmas cake program.
From grain to garland, our team bakes holiday joy into every Christmas cake.
Happy holidays from our bakery floor. May your table be full of cheer and Christmas cake.
Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory stories and holiday baking secrets.